Hi, I'm David, and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about the ELM Logger series. Our ELM Logger is our best-selling boot for over a decade. It gives you the foundation you need for a hard day's work in nearly any environment, brought to you by Carolina. The oil-resisting rubber lug outsole keeps your feet planted where you put them. We know you need options, so each logger is available in a safety and non-safety toe. Built on a Goodyear weld construction, the ELM Logger has a tough steel shank for extra stability and support. The ELM Logger comes in a range of full-grain brown and black leather uppers in a standard 8-inch boot height. Our 100% waterproof Scuba liner membrane will keep your feet dry throughout the entire day. All loggers meet ASTM standards for electrical hazard and impact and compression. A rugged woven lace that feeds through the die-cast metal hooks and eyelets gives this boot long-lasting performance. They are also available unlined or with 600 grams of insulation for cold weather jobs. And for those needing added protection, an internal Met Guard style is also available. Our ELM Loggers are as strong, rugged, and dependable as you are. That's the Carolina way, built for work.